Hi everybody, want to learn how you can clean a black stove glass on a wood stove with some power tools? Maybe a shovel, using a hammer, and some water and some paper towels. But before we get into that, let's talk about why the stove glass turns black in the first place. Okay, so the black that you get on there is creosote. And creosote is caused by unburned fuel. So some of the reasons why you get black on your glass is if you have the wood too close to where the glass is, it can cause creosote. Also by running wood in your stove with too high of a moisture content, because unburned wood will cause a lot of smoke and it causes less heat, so you won't get as much heat out of the wood, and it'll cause a tremendous amount of smoke. And that smoke will be creosote, and it'll attach to your glass. Another reason why you'll get this is poor quality wood. So if you're getting fallen wood out of the bushes and it's really damp, that could also cause a lot of creosote. So ideally, the wood that a person should be burning should have anywhere from 12 to 20% moisture content in it. Oh, and I almost forgot. Another reason why you'll get creosote building up and the black in your glass developing a lot faster is also if you have the heat on your stove too low. So if you're basically going with a low burn and barely have the damper open, that'll have a tendency to create a lot more creosote on the inside because the fire is not burning as hot. So what I also like to do when a person starts a fire in a wood stove is I like to keep the damper wide open, get this fire really nice and hot right off the bat. I like to run it for anywhere from 15 to 20 minutes approximately, just to make sure that everything is nice and hot. And if you start with a lot of airflow, a lot of heat right off the start, and run the fire a little bit hotter, you're going to find that you're going to have a lot less buildup on your glass. So let's go to our next step. So, okay guys, so what are we going to use first to clean the stove glass? It's going to save you a lot of money on buying aftermarket chemicals in order to clean this, so this will save you a lot of money, and we're going to do it the cheap way. So let's get to work, and I'll show you how this is done. Just kidding, we're not going to use a grinder. Shovel. No, we won't use a shovel either. Hammer. It's not hammer time, so we're going to leave that hammer alone too. So let me show you the cheapest way to do this. Come on over and we'll get to work. So the easiest way to do this is, first of all, make sure you don't have a live fire in your stove, because second and third degree burns is not as much fun. So you want to have the stove nice and cool inside so you can access some ashes. And what I've always done is I use paper towels, and what I'll do is I'll dampen these paper towels. And I dip them in the ashes. And what the ashes do, they give you a little bit of abrasiveness, but they're not going to damage the glass on the inside of your wood stove. So let me show you how this works. You can see a little bit of blackness there. And a wet towel and that. And all you do is just in a circular motion. And then as you need more abrasiveness, grab some more ash, put it on there, circular motion again, and scrub away. And you can see what's happening here. A little bit of abrasiveness and some moisture. It's not damaging the glass, but it's doing a very nice job of taking the black stuff off. So, and then I use a dry paper towel. And you can see creosote has been coming off the wet towel and a dry towel as you're cleaning it off, and you can see how dramatically better it looks. Cost you absolutely nothing except a little bit of your time some ash, and a little bit of water and some paper towels. So we'll just get some more ash in order to do the other side. And wet paper towel, some ash, and then you start scrubbing the black creosote on the other side and it'll come right off. I guess now you don't have to add sound effects to the video. See how good it works? Even with sound effects it works good. So now all the creosote's coming off the glass, as you can see. Doing a heck of a good job. So based on how this video is going, well, I'll be doing my next video from the Psych Center, so we'll see you guys shortly. Hi folks, and also remember too, living off grid is a real grind. So join me on my next Helpful Hints video, and maybe we'll use the grinder on something else. Till next time, peace everybody, have a great day.